You already have learned about OSHA and chemical hazard communications. At Dogs on the Farm, we use 3 basic chemicals to clean and maintain the facility. The first is Top Performance 256, a general disinfectant used to remove germs that could harm the pet's staff or clients. These bottles are kept locked up in the grooming room. You will not need to handle the bottles of cleaner, only the diluted form after it's been through the dilution machine. The second chemical is called kennel sol. It's a germicidal, and we use it in the cleaning machine for disinfecting and cleaning the indoor play yards. Again, you will not need to use this in the undiluted bottled form, but it's important to understand what it is and what it's used for. These are kept locked in the indoor play yards. And the third chemical we use for cleaning is KOE, which is kennel odor eliminator. This is actually not a daily use cleaner. It's a deodorizer used to neutralize odor. You will not need to handle this in the undiluted form either. These are also kept in the grooming room.
This next product that we use for cleaning is called Eliminator. Eliminator is a bioenzymatic odor digester. We use this to spray in our arena to make it smell nice. The Eliminator will be pre-diluted for you by a manager. You are not to dilute the Eliminator. It will be pre-diluted for you. So I'm going to show you how to use our Eliminator. Now, the Eliminator will be pre-mixed in this container right here. And it is labeled Eliminator, so know what you're using with it. Now, to use the Eliminator in the arena, just take your sprayer, fill up this black handle, give it a couple of pumps, and that pressurizes your nozzle, and you squeeze it, and the stuff will come out. And again, we use this in the arena to make it smell nice and use it after we clean up after the dogs. So there you go, that's the Eliminator.
The other chemicals you'll be familiar with, like Dawn dish soap. We also use Comet cleaner with bleach for cleaning in the bathrooms. And for laundry, we use all laundry detergent. Windex is used for glass cleaning, such as the glass fronts in the kennel, counter surfaces, windows. All these chemicals have SDS, safety data sheets, located in the grooming room behind the office. Top Performance 256 and Kennel Sol are automatically diluted with a dilution machine. This following section is a video demonstrating the use of the machine. Do not attempt to dilute the chemicals on your own. When you are using the dilution machine or handling any of the hazardous chemicals, you must wear personal protection equipment as described in the PPE safety video. PPE must be used in all phases of cleaning and cleaning preparation that involve the use of hazardous chemicals. PPE is located next to the dilution machine and also in the grooming room at the main office. If there is anything missing or you have any questions about safe chemical handling, please alert your supervisor or manager immediately.
So today I'm going to show you how to prep our machine to disinfect the rooms. Now the first thing we always do is get our PPE equipment. So I'm going to get some goggles. We always have some goggles set up right over here near the microwave cart in the kennel. There's also some in the bathroom, but those must be worn anytime you're handling disinfectant. I'm also going to put on my gloves. We have the different size gloves here, again located at the microwave cart. If you need more, there's also some stored in the kennel bathroom as well as over at the grooming room. But always make sure those must be worn when you are handling the disinfectant. So I'll get these on now. Okay, so this is our machine here. First thing we need to do is unscrew the top. And we're going to take that off, and there's a little filter in. Take both those. We'll set those down over here for now. Okay, this is our mixing station right here. Now, the mixing station, all you have to do is turn on your water, which I'm going to do over here. So turn on your water valve. Take your thick, clear tube that's going to dispense the disinfectant and just press the gray button on the mixing station. And this will put down the disinfectant at the properly diluted rate of a ½ ounce per gallon. Now usually we'll fill up our sprayer to, it's about a 6.5 gallon sprayer. You know, if you're doing the whole kennel, you want to fill it up to somewhere around 6 gallons. If you need to refill it, just come back and repeat the process. But you'll never have to mix anything on your own. The machine will do all the mixing for you. If you ever have any questions, ask your supervisor and we will help you out, of course. It takes a little bit to fill up. It's about done over here. Our next step, we're going to hang up our thick clear hose and turn off the water at the source. We got to make sure to put back in our filter and screw on the cap. Sometimes it takes a minute to get it back onto the threads, but it'll go on.
The written hazard communication plan is located in the main office and included in your new employee training information. If any contact with chemicals, for example, if a cleaning solution gets on your skin, check the SDS to make sure correct actions are taken and notify your supervisor immediately.